Hey guys, it's Aslan here. Welcome to Smart Crypto Trader Club. In this video, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin, why we had so much FUD and why Bitcoin has been dumping the market itself. Because when the Bitcoin dumps, it's the backbone of the market. Whenever Bitcoin dumps, everything else will dump because we're dependent on the Bitcoin. We trade against Bitcoin alts, and when the value of Bitcoin goes down, alts will go red in dollar value, and because of dollar value, coin market cap shows red, and people get panic and they sell. And right now, yesterday and today, we haven't seen much volume in alts. Like hardly alts are moving, mostly are dumping. Why? The reason is there's not enough volume, and people are scared to buy. The big players that do understand the market, the market makers, they're trying to get out. And right now, I myself see the weakness. I do see the weakness, a lot of weakness. Still having, we did get a lot good volume from the bounce. Of course, it was expected. We always have big cat bounces and here and there, but we couldn't break the 13k, the level I was looking for. So right now, let me just share with you why did we dump. And so many YouTubers will share with you like different things and all, just a lot of talk, this and that, but there's very few that give you the main reason, the main point. There's a video I watched, I can't find the link right now. I did subscribe to that YouTube channel. As soon as I get the video link, when he uploads any video, I will go to his channel and get that video. The links are gonna be on the top, the one link of the video that I watched, and I got a lot of information from that video. I will share with you guys that as well. And so I want to give him credit because he's shown many of us a right direction. I kind of knew this, but the way he explained things, it confirmed me, okay, that was the reason. Because I don't care, the FUDs, we have seen the FUDs, a lot of FUDs. Right now we done the 5 waves. Okay, these contract guys, the contract future, they know, they understand the technical analysis. They have so many big brokers and all those thing, and they went with technical analysis. But us, we are emotionally kind of attached with Bitcoin, many of us, and we are long-term holder, of course. But they aren't a long-term holder. They understand technical analysis and they went short with Bitcoin. The reason was we already done 5 ways. If you watch my video, you already know we done 5 ways. I have been updating my group about Bitcoin, and I have been I did post yesterday. We are in that zone now, not here. Here, when we went up there, if you watch my yesterday video, you would know this was the update I did. Wrecked, like basically that we broke here. It was 12,100. We came down to 11,000. I knew this broke. The trend broke already, and this shows the weakness. And we had a doji at 4 hours, and I saw this doji when I was doing yesterday technical analysis video. If you watch my video, you should know already. We've seen this. So as I said, the 17th January, we finished the first Chicago Board Options Exchange, the first Bitcoin contract. And because of that, the banks, all this big guy, have played with the market. And we had so many news just before, few days before, and from South Korea, all fake news. We know already, the South Korean government said they were all fake news. We're not going to close Bitcoin or any exchange or anything. And right now people are scared. The volume is not coming much from there, and South Korea were trading premium, okay, Bitcoin premium, and coin market cap took that out as well. Okay, they don't show us the premium prices anymore as well. There's so many things that can be involved. They have a lot of power, banks and all these big people that have a lot of power. They can manipulate the market so easily. If we go 17th, the 17th January starts from here. Okay, the whole day we had crash, the biggest crash, one of the biggest crash was the whole day here, and we lost a lot of volume here. This was the 17th. One second, where did the 17th start from? Right, I zoomed in quite much. So basically this was late night, almost 16th. So we had first crash, and then we went up. Is the coin market cap, I'm saying that we had a first of, yeah, we had almost 100 billion gone. Okay, then we bounced, we had a cat bounce, and then slowly we keep going down and down. This was the point where the contract has been expired, As soon as that expired, we had a move of 100 billion almost in 2 hours. But then we had a huge move. We had a 100 to 200 billion in few hours. Isn't that seems that is all planned? As soon as the contract expired, they booked their profits. The market went up again. That bounced, and they're already booking again the profits. And there's a day you need to look for. There is a day of 26th January you need to look for. Very important day for Bitcoin future, because CME was way bigger than CBOE, and because of that we're gonna have a lot of FUD in the market, because the contract is about to finish 26th. I'm gonna do a separate video on this because I want to make a title that people should know. The contract is gonna finish. Stay aware of this, and you need to be careful with this. That's all I want to say with this. And as I said, it says 18th December each contract represents 5 Bitcoin that started, and it's gonna expire January 26th. So, and there was a voting from Cointelegraph that they asked if CME is the next one, what's gonna happen. 54% of course said it's gonna go up, as so many of us wants Bitcoin to go up, and we are supporter of Bitcoin. So I'm not sure, you know. I wouldn't say we will go up 100%, of course not. It doesn't make sense just saying up and up. We've been saying that. I have been personally saying that in my technical analysis on YouTube. We always predict mostly up. I never say when the trend breaks where we're gonna go down, and that's the mistake I'm gonna do. And the thing is, when you do that, people don't like you. They just want Bitcoin to go up. That's the problem. People don't want to see Bitcoin going down or their currency going down. They don't want to see the both sides. For me as a trader, I see the both side. But they're invested. They want their investments to keep growing. And for me, I can cash out and get out of the market. But I don't cash out the Bitcoin. I keep my Bitcoins. Whatever I wanted to cash out, I cashed out at 19,000 plus, because it felt so weak, and we had a pattern, exact pattern of bearish trend. We're gonna go bearish trend, and that happened in many altcoins. That happened in the past as well. So you see the weakness in the market. Anyways guys, thank you for being here, thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Just look for next day, next contract to expire. This has been done all by banks, believe it or not, because they didn't have to buy Bitcoin. They could have, they just can short the Bitcoin in the contracts and make money. Why would they even buy Bitcoin? And they had no other choice than this to tackle this market, and they choose that way to do that. Okay, this is the way they have done it. Okay, sometimes people doesn't have any other choice, so yeah, banks always trying to be against Bitcoin and crypto, and they're trying to short this market always as much as they can, and they did. Okay, they actually did. They did short the market, and they made profit on it, a lot of profit that we, a common man, won't understand what they're doing. They have been playing with us like from years now. Okay, they're still doing it. They're still doing through contracts now, future contracts, and we used to think, oh, the contracts are gonna be great, but actually, do you really think this contract is gonna be great? For now, I don't. We had a pretty good market, and now as it's decentralized, it can be manipulated very easily. It just can. No one is here to say, like in stock, you can't do those things. You can't manipulate the market. You can't play with it like people do in crypto. Crypto is the most volatile market, because there is always manipulation going on. There is always a FUD. There is always things like that, and because of that, people can easily do that. The big players, they always do this. They always play with the new investors, newbies, the poor guys. They always did. Banks always did with us. So nothing new here. Okay, the manipulation will keep going on until there is no regulation. Of course, we don't want any regulation here. Of course not. And the point of crypto is not having regulations here. And these guys just playing with everyone's money. Okay, you need to be careful what you're doing. Invest only what you can afford to lose. And I want to show you something else about the interest right now people have in buying Bitcoin. Okay, how to buy Bitcoin. We'll see how many people has been researching recently how the trend is going in buying Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure that it has been going low. You see, we had this by December 9, and right now look at this. This shows that people are not really buying Bitcoin anymore, and because of that we keep dumping. You know, it's not in volume. We not having much volume in Bitcoin, and I've been saying that in my videos, technical analysis video that I do every day. I have been saying that. Just Bitcoin, let's see. Of course Bitcoin is gonna be a lot it's going up again because there's a lot of news coming and offers and all that, but buying Bitcoin is very low. We have seen this. It was huge when we seen this, and but right now look at this. We suddenly this jump when we jumped from 10,000, I mean 11 12,000 to 20,000. This was the time. I'm pretty sure this was the time buying Bitcoin. So that shows a lot. That shows a lot of interest, that how people researching what they're doing. And right now Bitcoin FUD, let's see what Bitcoin FUD says. Seriously, look at this. We keep growing in this side. That's the difference. Okay, people are panic and they don't know what to do. They're trying to find the news, bad news, by researching Bitcoin FUD. This is sad, but what we can do, this is all being done with these media's websites. They even, so many news are fake crap. And now, okay, I'll share with you something. Okay, if you're doing something good, like one good thing, if you do one bad thing and 9 good things, people will remember more the one bad thing rather than remembering the 9 good things. Trust me, the negativity and the FUD and everything, it goes so, it just spreads so quickly. It just spreads so quickly comparing to the good things. And right now we've been having few good news, but it didn't matter at all. Market is still going down. The reason is it's just this. People are panicked. They don't know what to do. And now people selling Bitcoin expecting a 5k, because those who sold on the top keep saying it's gonna go 5k, it's gonna go this, it's gonna go that, and people are scared. They thought when they invest in Bitcoin it's gonna go 100k, because there was so many predictions of 100k. This market is, we can only speculate the prices, okay? And he's been doing a lot, like so many channels, so many news. Bitcoin is gonna go 100k, 1 million, this and that, Lambo and all that crap. Actually, it's not crap. We will go up, but it will take time. We need to complete our cycle, okay? And technically, we need to complete our cycle. Look at technical analysis. We completed the uptrend cycle, okay? The first 5 waves is done, and now we had ABC almost, but we need to have some consolidation area, make huge support at some area, and then move on. And we can't just getting a bounces and just move up. We can't do that. When the cycle is finished, we need some time, and because of that, art's getting dry out as well, and this is not actually a great thing, you know. So yeah guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and do share with your friends. If you didn't like it, just let me know why you didn't like it. I really want to know. If I did any mistake, I would like to know that as well. We are human, we can't be 100% right always, but that's what I think, and I shared with you guys. So yeah, if, as I said, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for next future videos. I'm gonna share with you guys a lot of information, because this is my full-time job, okay? I have been doing trading from 1 year now almost, and this is my full-time job, and I have been silent, basically doing my own in my group, but I haven't been doing YouTube videos, but now I do. So I want to share everything with you guys what I learned so far. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.